Hello again. Good morning. This is Magdala with a Time for God, presenting the Under 5 Minutes at 5 a.m. motivational talks to help your day. Today, I want to talk about not being discouraged. Do not be discouraged. And I understand that sometimes life brings so much stress and discouragement that just telling someone, do not be discouraged, can be discouraging. Because it seems no way out. But yet, Jesus urged us not to be discouraged. And so I say, don't be discouraged. But why? Why should you not be discouraged? Well, sometimes life throws us stuff that we can't find our way out of. And when we trust people, they make it worse for us. Sometimes they push you to the extent that you start feeling really terrible about yourself. And that can be discouraging. So why will I say do not be discouraged? Oh, I say do not be discouraged because these challenges are going to propel you in the right direction if you endure them. If you look at them with the right mindset. I want you to understand that the way you perceive an issue makes all the difference in how you receive it and deal with it. Imagine for a second if Joseph saw his situation as hopeless, that God was not with him. God has forgotten about him. Imagine how different things could have turned out for him. Remember, the Bible says, God has called many. It said, many are called, but few are chosen. Why? The mindset, the way you perceive what you're dealing with is how you receive it. And how you receive it will determine how you deal with it. So do not be discouraged. Don't ever stop trusting in God. You are not at the mercy of your enemy. No. That's what Satan needs us to believe, that our strong enemy is stronger than we are. It's stronger than even our God. Oh, God is busy. He only has time for you. He got multitudes of others, but that's not true. There are millions and millions of stars in a galaxy. And there are approximately billions of galaxies. The Bible says God knows the stars by name. He said not one falls without him knowing. There are only about 8 billion of us. How is it that you are unimportant to him? Even the vegetation, God clothes them. He cares for them. What about you? The Bible says, you with little faith. But I'm here to say, take courage. Do not be discouraged. Because when you're discouraged, your faith is faint. But trust in God. And know that what you're dealing with is going to be your testimony tomorrow. It's going to give you an opportunity to help someone see God, see life, see situation differently. This is Magdala with a Time for God. Do have you a wonderful Sunday, the 4th of August. Bye-bye.